Ready for tomorrow and some key parts of tomorrow you really need to be on alert. But first, Ben, you're showing us some amazing sunsets tonight and how spring is really showing its true colors around Kentuckiana.
Spring can be good to us and bad to us sometimes. And that's what we're going to talk about here. But first, this is too good not to share from Sherry Mathers, who sent this to our Kentucky Indiana Cloud Watchers page on Facebook. Some vivid colors here down around Elizabethtown. You got the deep green grass next to the field of purple dead nettle, which I believe that is, those wild purple flowers right there, and those amazing colors of that sunset. So again, thank you, Sherry, for sharing that one. Here's what we need to know about the severe weather threat, the bad part of what spring can do to our area, which April and May, peak severe weather season. From around 4 until 9 p.m. is when we have the highest threat of strong to severe storms, which could be packing some damaging wind gusts, and we can't rule out an isolated tornado. So there is a high likelihood we could have a few warnings in our viewing area, although I don't think it's going to be a big, widespread severe weather outbreak for our area. Outside of any storm chance, it's just going to be a blustery day. We've seen this so many times this year. Another wind advisory for our Wednesday with wind gusts possibly up to around 45 miles per hour. When we break down the individual threats from the storms tomorrow, damaging wind would be the highest threat from any storm that could become severe. Tornadoes and flooding will put that into the moderate threat or medium level, and then low level threat of hail. So any storms that really get going and go over the same areas for too quickly of a time could produce some localized flash flooding. So that's the other issue as well. Why are we seeing severe weather this time of the year? It is the clash between really winter-like conditions and summer-like conditions. 80s and 90s over the southeast, and highs today only in the 20s to the lower 30s, below freezing up in the northern plains and the Rockies. So it's that clash and that battle of those two different air masses that produces these showers and thunderstorms, and even a bunch of snow over the northwest. Upper 70s, still warm out there, and the first time we've seen a heat index that feels like 81 with that high humidity. You can see some of the humidity in the lights over Slugger Field here on opening night. Temps still in the mid to upper 70s in many locations. A severe weather threat for the rest of tonight will stay out to the west of our area. And that's where you find a pretty large severe thunderstorm watch box all the way from Wisconsin down into parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. So let's break down and look at the timing of our severe weather threat as we head into our Wednesday. Tomorrow morning, mainly dry. Can't rule out maybe a couple showers. Temperatures, look at this, in the upper 60s and lower 70s. After around 3, 4 o'clock, we're starting to see those storms initialize out to the west and starting to blossom west of I-65. I'd say 5, 6, 7 o'clock is going to be the peak time for Metro Louisville, areas along the Ohio River and I-65, and then the storms begin to weaken. We lose the severe weather ingredients after around 9 to 10 p.m. And as we go into Thursday, the cold front sweeps on through, and we're going to bring in some cooler conditions. Early Thursday, maybe a lingering shower south, but about a 20 to 25 degree drop in temperatures from tomorrow to Thursday as we fall down to the upper 50s and lower 60s. So things really settle down after that severe weather threat tomorrow. Lots of sunshine for our Easter weekend, some 60s Friday and Saturday, and 72 for Easter Sunday. Sports is up next.